National Nutrition Natural Health Reviews. 3 minutes of the latest naturopathic info with Canada's leading nutrition experts. Watch, learn, and get healthy naturally.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jonathan Beatty, naturopathic doctor and a health expert here at nationalnutrition.ca. Do you or anyone you know ever suffer from gout? Gout is a very painful condition affecting joints in the body. For some weird reason, it does seem to usually onset, although not always, but it usually onsets in the big toe on the left foot. We don't know why this happens, but there does seem to be some trend towards poor circulation in that area, and that makes it more common for gout to first manifest there, although technically gout could affect any joint in the body. Now, what characterizes gout is the formation of uric acid crystals within the joint. Basically, the reason it's so incredibly painful is it's the equivalent of having small pieces of broken glass within the joint. These very sharp crystals are forming inside the joint, and that leads to a large amount of inflammation. It's so painful for many people that they can't even wear a sock or put a shoe on because any amount of pressure on that area is basically just driving those crystals deeper into the joint, making it much more painful, and it often has a severe level of inflammation. Typically there's a lot of redness, a lot of swelling, a lot of heat. The toe is often warm to the touch, and that's a really good indicator of gout. And essentially gout is a severe form of a type of arthritis, and so it's these crystals forming in the joint creating a lot of arthritis. So how we manage gout is by managing uric acid. But most importantly, it's about managing the crystallization of uric acid. Uric acid does tend to crystallize in people who have a more acidic pH to their body. So maintaining more alkaline diet, and check out our video on alkaline diets for more information on this, but maintaining an alkaline diet is very important. Increasing your vegetable content in your diet can be very effective at managing gout. It's more preventive that way. Once you have a gouty attack, there are a few things you can do naturally. Typically, gout is managed with a medication called allopurinol, and sometimes people will use things like ibuprofen or acetylsalicylic acid in order to try and manage their gout. Those are just anti-inflammatories, but what you really want to focus on is getting rid of those uric acid crystals from within the joint. And in order to do that, I typically recommend my patients to use black cherry juice. The reason for that is it's been shown to help aid in the absorption of those, or the reabsorption or the dissolution of those uric acid crystals. So it helps the crystals to go away. It helps your body to reabsorb the uric acid and redissolve it so it's no longer in its crystalline form, which is the form that causes the problem. As well, I often recommend celery seed. Celery seed can be very effective at, again, managing those uric acid levels, helping your body to excrete that uric acid, thus getting rid of the gout a little bit faster. So if you do suffer from gout, I hope these tips are going to help you not only manage any existing gouty attack you're having, but also prevent them in the future. Check out more of our natural health videos on our channel, subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, post them below. And always remember, knowledge is health.